So we are in Akihabara, the land of anime. It's so cool. I'll show you around. Everything is filled with anime characters, the games, the what do you call this? Look at that, Goku, Naruto. Which anime is this from? Mangas, magazines, I think T-shirts as well. Yes, everything smells like Johnson's baby powder,
Yeah, for some reason somebody is wearing it.
and the smell is very strong. Naruto. We are here at this ramen place. This is mine. So this is the place where you get cheaper iPhones second hand if you want to buy PCs or specifically gaming PC or their parts. This is the place, second floor. जिनको Sony कैमरा पसंद है उसके लिए तो ये place जन्नत है. It's heaven for camera lovers. Softmap, and their second-hand products are as good as new. So this is what paradise feels like. We are at big camera where you get all sorts of cameras, expensive ones, cheaper ones. The video camera recommended is Osmo Pocket 3. Of course, the recommended camera is what I'm using right now. तेरा सपना था ना कि ऊपर से पूरा जापान देखना है. So ये चीज़ तेरे को दिखाएगा जापान. Let's go. We've been waiting for this.
Really excited. My favorite.
Jujutsu Kaisen, ये anime complete करना है भाई. Plenty of Jujutsu Kaisen. Even the fourth floor looks gigantic. Gigantic. What's it called, Madeline? Please correct me. Is it gigantic or gigantic? Oktoberfest. Here people drink. So I got this from them. There's a long queue here. This looks really cool. You know what is? I think this is the miniature animated version of Tokyo. Oh, my ears are popping.
Is the Tokyo Skytree Temple Deck, floor 350. Tokyo Skytree Temple Deck, floor 指などを挟まれないようにご注意ください。足元の段差にご注意ください。足元の段差にご注意ください。
टोक्यो स्काई ट्री दुनिया का सेकंड लार्जेस्ट मैन मेड स्ट्रक्चर है. मतलब बुर्ज खलीफा के बाद यही सबसे लंबा है. इट्स द टॉलेस्ट टावर इन द वर्ल्ड. बुर्ज खलीफा इज़ नॉट द टावर, इट्स अ बिल्डिंग. सो दैट्स व्हाई ये टावर सबसे बड़ा है. Happy birthday to you. Tell me, how was your birthday?
Well, what to say? This has been the best birthday ever because we did a lot of things. Walked through the park, enjoyed a little bit of nature. We went to Akibara and now we are at the Sky Tree.
We are at the Oktoberfest in Japan. Here you can have expensive beer, expensive food and enjoy. Oktoberfest is nothing but drinking beer. But all German beers, by the way. So Germans are known for their beer. We were just up there and it's beautiful. What is Shibuya Sky?
I don't know, I'm trying to figure that out. Maybe it's something where you see the complete Shibuya.
What are your expectations?
Nothing, just enjoy the view.
Nice.
はクエストへようこそ。足元お気をつけてお進みください。突き当たり左にエスカレーターございます。こんにちは。ゆっくりお乗りください。
It looks like we're going to heaven.
カメラのみお持ち込み可能です。バッグすべてロッカーにお預けお願いいたします。
バッグロッカーにお願いします。
Nice view, right? What's that? Oh. What's that?
Compass?
A helipad. Beautiful, isn't it? That's the Tokyo Sky Tree. Oh. That one.
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
Thank you so much. 14階へとご案内いたします。またのお越しをお待ちしています。どうもありがとうございました。
It says stand on the mark. Let's see what it does. Oh, look at that. वो आत्मा दिखा रहा है अपना. आत्मा ऐसी दिखती होगी. ये ना प्ले स्टेशन का साउंड जैसा लगता है.
Buying it right now.
वार्म लाइट मतलब एक्सपेंसिव. दैट्स नॉट द केस हियर. ये 500 रुपये का 500-600 रुपये का कुछ तो है. समथिंग कॉल्ड माउंट फूजी सैल्मन. दैट इज़ फॉर 5,600 येन. मतलब 3,000 समझ लो, 3,500 के आसपास. कांदा लहसुन. We are crossing the famous Shibuya crossing. I'm lucky to witness all this, I guess. What's so special about this?
You could say the largest crossing in the world. Lot of people, there are more than 1,000 people crossing it at the same time.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. अच्छा, अपने उधर तो क्रॉसिंग ही नहीं है. It is very happening. बहुत cool लग रहा है सब कुछ. ये थोड़ा बहुत मैरिलन. अच्छा, तू तो ड्रैगन बॉल सी देखती नहीं है, बट वो ड्रैगन बॉल सी का लोगो होता है ना, वैसा दिख रहा है ये. This building so pink. कुछ ऑप्शंस अच्छा दिखते हैं, बट वो बहुत ज़्यादा ही महंगा हो जाता है. उससे अच्छा तो ये फैमिली मार्ट ही ऐसा लग रहा है कि रीजनेबल ऑप्शन होगा, कुछ भी खाओ. ओह, ये ट्राई करना है. It's 4:45 p.m. Yes, in Tokyo, Japan, and it's already sunset. Sunset हो गया ऐसा लग रहा है ना, अंधेरा हो गया है. Sunset 5-5:15 के आसपास होता है, I think. This looks so colorful. This looks so cute. We are in heaven. देखते हैं ये heaven कैसा दिखता है. Oh, the miniature version of Les Paul. It has the actual strings in it. Look what we have here.
Kazoo.
Bazoo.
What is that for?
Look at the variety of guitars, man. This looks really attractive. This guitar. बहुत क्लासिक है ये type of guitar. Lots and lots of keyboards. Waka. Okay, MPC1. इंडिया से तो काफ़ी सस्ते प्राइस में है. This is my Japanese friend. So Okada has made this beautiful painting of me and Marilyn. So nice of you. Thank arigatou gozaimasu. I have something for you. Here's sweet lime kazoo for you.
Thank you very much.
And he's also got some Japanese treat for us. So nice.
Japanese sweets.
Japanese sweets.
Japanese dagashi.
So nice. Sugoi. Sugoi. So nice. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Happy birthday to you.
I'm finally meeting this person. His name is Okada. They're finding it difficult to communicate because of the English and Japanese language barrier. Where do you want to go?
Tea at cafe?
Cafe.
Cafe.
He lives in Nagano, which is kinda in the center of Japan.
Yes, center of Japan.
It's his birthplace. So how long have you been in Tokyo?
14 years.
Is your family here? Family?
Yes, family. My wife and my daughter. Very cute. My daughter.
Kawaii.
Do you know Detective Conan?
Detective Conan, anime.
Yes, my daughter.
She's a fan, I think. Yeah.
Do you know where you get cheap anime figurines?
Figure.
Cheap.
Doll.
最終時にラッシーアンで13番お願いします
Oh, expensive. 25,000 yen. Pokemon.
The Pikachu looks very funny. The Pikachu.
Look at the Pokeball. I think people who visit Japan, anime fans specifically, they make sure to come to this underground anime shop. Demon Slayer.
Demon Slayer.
Tanjiro.
Naruto is here.
4,000?
Is this a figurine?
Yeah, figurine, small one. Very small.
Size doesn't matter. Haha, Astro Boy. Isn't this the Monopoly guy? Doraemon. One eye is broken. Oh, I used to watch this. I was crazy for Speed Racer. It's for 3,300. Oh.
Speed Racer.
Speed Racer.
You want to take
3,300 yen? Okay.
You're not
And you've
coming
taken
back. Photography. We're saying bye to
KSK.
KSK.
My daughter.
Kawaii. Konnichiwa.
全日ありがとうって。
What do we say for welcome? I don't know. Welcome.
どういたしましてだって。帰るね。
Take care. Good night. Good night for good night.
Good night.
Sayonara.
Oyasumi.
おやすみ。
Oyasumi.
おやすみ。
Oyasumi. It was lovely meeting you, and when we come back to Japan in the future, we'll definitely meet.
Yes.
Sayonara.
さよなら。ありがとう。
Bye.
Take care.
Bye. Take care.
It was very sweet. It's like they do vital then. So sweet.
Man, I
Such so sweet person. How can people be so sweet in Japan?
yeah. I mean,
I mean-
na bhola bhala banda.
Yeah, they. It's not like they act. They are actually really sweet.
They are genuinely so kind and sweet
Yeah.
and helpful.
And helpful as well.
मेरे को लोग बहुत बोलते थे अरे जापान कितना क्लीन है अरे इधर तो कचरा ही नहीं मिलेगा. Look what I found in Japan.